Welcome to Economics. What is economics? To answer that question, we need to understand why it exists. Economics exists because everything is scarce. Gold is scarce. iPhones are scarce. Diamonds are scarce. Economics exists to help us become better decision makers in the real world and in the marketplace. And that's the key to unlocking the power of economics. Let's go ahead and write that down. So we know that economics is a type of behavioral science. It scientifically analyzes how humans behave, not only in the marketplace, but also in the real world. So let's go ahead, write that down. It's behavioral science. Behavioral science. What does it do? It allocates limited resources like gold, like diamond, like iPhones to unlimited desires. So many people want iPhones, so many people want diamonds, so many people want gold. And economics is the power to allocate those limited resources to unlimited demands. Let's go ahead, write that down. Now, as you can see on the back of my shirt, memorization is a crime. And here in this class, we're not going to memorize this definition. Instead, we're going to fundamentally take a look at the tug of war that is economics. As a matter of fact, economics is really just a tug of war. Between what and what? Between resources, what we have, and the desires, what we want. Let's go ahead, jot that down. So resources are what we have, right? They're finite, they're limited, they're scarce. That's the word of the day, they're scarce. There's not enough of them, okay? So this is what we have. And remember, resources are scarce. And this is what we want. This is what we desire, okay? Our desires are always gonna be more than what we have. We're always gonna want more than what we have. If you're poor, you wanna be rich. If you're rich, you wanna be richer. If you're richer, you wanna become the richest, right? So that is the key to this tug of war between resources and desires. What you have and what you want. The limited and the unlimited. The scarce and the not scarce. And the finite and the infinite. Now, you can clearly see a problem here. What you want is always less than what you have. So how do you fix this problem? Well, the key is going to be something we call trade-offs. Trade-offs fix this fundamental problem. And the solution to this problem we call trade-offs. Trade-offs are when you sacrifice your satisfaction for buying a good. So for example, if I have a bunch of batteries, and you know what? We don't need examples here because we already have a crazy customer right here. Let's go ahead and check out an example of someone actually making a trade-off in this tug of war between resources and desires. Let's go ahead and now we're actually going to see an example of the tug of war between resources and desires, what we have and what we want in real life. We're going to see how an individual actually makes trade-offs so that they sacrifice their happiness, their satisfaction, just so that they can take the right amount of resources. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look. So right here, I've got some batteries. Clearly, these batteries are scarce. They're limited, they're finite. I only have 20 of them. And so they're gonna be my resources. But I also have someone who has a very high level of desire for these batteries. As a matter of fact, he's absolutely bonkers for batteries. And here he is right here wanting these batteries. Now,
I need a few batteries. Can you hook me up with some?
Sure. Now, before I give him any batteries, I'm going to scientifically observe how this guy behaves when I give him the bag of batteries. Does he take all the batteries? Well, he can't because clearly his little crap box is too small to carry all of them. So he can either take all of them but not be able to carry them home, or he can take a few, sacrifice his satisfaction, but still be able to carry them home. Let's see how he behaves. Okay.
I saw a big one, so big one goes here. Big one is best.
All right, gotta hurry up.
Then we have the little battery.
I don't have all night.
Then we have these. Then we have this.
Okay.
Then I
Yikes.
think we need.
I'm gonna run out of stocks soon if this keeps on going. Oh, he's already started dropping some.
Oh, no. Okay,
Well,
thanks for all your things.
yeah, I guess. Whoa!
Oh.
Well, clearly, this man made a mistake. He took too many batteries. He didn't make a trade-off. He did not make a trade-off. He did not make a sacrifice. And as a result, he took more than he could have. And that is the power of economics. Thanks for watching Lecture 1, and we'll check you out next time.